Well, I can tell you now, one bite of this, you're making it every week. It is delicious. It's the easiest chocolate cake in the world to make. It's that easy. There should be a health warning on this. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to create something. We're going to create something that should have a health warning. You're going to want to eat this. Oh, it's going to be so tasty, so easy to come together. We are going to bust the cake world. We're making a chocolate cake. We're going to put a mascarpone cream cheese layer in the middle. Cover it with a ganache. Oh, delicious. And it's going to be so simple that anybody can make this cake. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. In the bowl, plain all-purpose flour. You need to get your oven on at 155. This cake is going to take a little bit of rising. We're using an 8-inch cake tin. I've lined the bottom and the sides. It's a loose bottom tin, but it's quite a high tin. Okay, we've got the flour. Now we want the salt. Of course we want salt. We got the baking powder. We got sugar. We got instant coffee. We got cocoa powder. And we'll bring this all together. So don't forget, if you like this recipe, like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Come on. Help me out. Help the channel out. This is the easiest cake you're ever going to see on the internet. Butter, oil, milk, eggs. In fact, actually, we'll just give those a beating. Let's just beat those up first. Eggs, vanilla, mixy. Nice and slow. Get it all smooth. That'll do. Now, of course, you can mix this completely by hand with the old mixer. Not a worry. Let's bring that in. We don't want any of that powder in there. Look at that. Bring in your tin that you're going to use. Dump that in there. Get a little skewer and just whiz round there. Let's have all the air up. One of those. Open the oven door and sling it in there. In for about 60 to 70 minutes. Start checking from 60 minutes, get the skewer, stick it in, comes out clean, it's done. Okay, we've had about 65 minutes actually. Let's have a look. Oh, that is looking super. Skewer straight down the middle. Clean as a whistle. Out it comes. Oh, look at that. The smell in here is off the charts. And just look at this in there. As clean as a whistle. That is a beautiful, beautiful cake. Right, all we got to do, it's got a couple of cracks on. We're not bothered. It's getting chocolate ganache all over it. There you go. I tell you, the cake purists are going to go mad. We've chucked everything in, mixed it all in one bowl, all in one go, and we've got a beautiful, beautiful chocolate cake. So we're going to let that cool for about 10 minutes in that tin, and we'll get it out of the tin, stick it on a rack to cool completely. Now what they say is cool it completely, wrap it in cling wrap, shove it in the fridge, all the flavours come together. I don't think we're going to do that. I think we're just going to let it cool completely, and then we're going to make our ganache and our mascarpone cream filling. Oh, can't wait. Come on, we need to be dropping that out of there. It's had 10 minutes. We're going to get that out onto there. any which way you can. So let's have a go with this. Oh, ho! Wow, that's hot. Let's get that onto there. You ready? Oh, look at that. That is outstanding. Come on, we want to be peeling that paper off the bottom of there. Like that. That looks absolutely sensational. Look at that. Oh, that is a beautiful, beautiful cake. That is a beauty. Wow. There you go. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to let this cool down. It's got to cool down completely. Okay, our cake is virtually cooled down. In here, I've got mascarpone cheese and powdered sugar. In here, I've got a little bit of whipping cream, heavy cream. We're going to give it a whip, and then we're going to mix that with that. How about do it, I reckon. Right, this one, nice and steady. Powdered sugar is going to go all over. So really what we got to do now is fold that cream into there. So it doesn't matter how you do it. It always says carefully, but come on, get it in. That's looking good enough for me. Perfect. We need to slice that cake. Okay, so we want to get that beautiful cake on there. Now, you decide what you're going to do with this. Do you want to take that off? I don't particularly care if the ganache goes over and runs in there and it has crevices all over it. It's a chocolate cake. It looks fabulous. Okay, I don't know if you've seen these sort of things before, but it's like a cake divider. Basically, you put your knife in. Now, I use these. I'm not very good at cutting straight anymore. Those days are long gone, you know, I cut on an angle. So these things work wonders, you know, the cheapest chips, you can buy them anywhere. So we're going to go in there and we're just going to, nice and steady, straight through that cake. We will have a perfect cut cake. So carefully, there you go. Let's just take this bottom layer, perfect layer there, look. As you see, we could take that top off there, look, quite easily. It would come through there, whip that top off, and then you would end up with two straight pieces of cake. But I personally don't care. We are not making anything for a shop. We are making it for home use. So let's keep the cake. And they're like spring-loaded, look. Okay? As easy as that. Okay, you can be as careful as you like, or you can just slap that on there. And it's nice and steady. Bring it out to the edge, but we don't want to go all the way over if we can help it, because the cake is going to squash it out to the sides. That will do lovely. We're going to be taking our top bit of cake there, look, and that is going to sit on there like that. Give it a little, not much. We don't want to squash it all the way out. Okay, I've got some chocolate sitting here. It's sitting over some boiling water. That is hot, actually. Is it melted? That is beautiful. Is put some cream in there and make a ganache. So in with our cream. So just let's have it all mixed in. Looking absolutely fabulous. Now, if you feel it's firming up, back on your boiling water. And you've got to decide, do you want to put it all the way down the side, or do you just want to run it over? So we are on there. Come on, run down. Run down. And then what we need to do, now we've got it running down, is just smooth it. But don't smooth it fine. Let's keep with the same theme of roughed up, you know. But that's just going to enclose in that cake there. Now that's what you call a 5-minute icing job. Not even that. That is absolutely beautiful. That's our cake fully covered in chocolate. Wow, look at that. It looks fabulous. Right, we just have to put that in the fridge and let it cool down. We're going to let it cool down, let it set up. And then we're going to cut a slice. And then we're going to melt some more ganache. I'm going to run it all over the top. Let it run down the insides of the cake. That is tremendous. In there. Oh, that's straight through. Come on. Oh, look at that. That is superb chocolate cake. Oh my word. Look at that. Moist. Oh, come on. Oh, look at that. A little bit of that ganache on there. Let it run down. Oh, it's tremendous. Oh, yes, please. Just look at that. Chocolate goodness. Can you see why we roughed up the top? Oh, look at that. Come on. Oh, in there. Oh, it's moist. Oh, we got that creamy mascarpone. Oh, that is absolutely crazy. That chocolate flavour in there. Oh, and look how moist this cake is. Look. Oh. Mmm. Oh, I'm going to be covered. Oh. That is absolutely sensational. Mmm. Well, I can tell you now, one bite of this, you're making it every week. It is delicious. It's the easiest chocolate cake in the world to make. It's that easy. There should be a health warning on this. No, I'm going to say warning. This chocolate cake should be illegal. It's that good. That is flipping awesome. Oh man. It's soft, it's moist. Oh, it's got everything a chocolate cake should have. It's chocolate. Oh, it's got that cream in there. Look at it just falling to pieces. It's that moist. Come on. That is absolutely amazing. What a fantastic chocolate cake. It's not over sweet. It's delicious. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make this delicious chocolate cake. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. And we'll catch you in the next video. Oh man. That is just so good.